Subhash Verma ji from travel and tourism industry. In aviation, we know Subhash Verma ji, a veteran aviator also, because he is reckoned with his 3 decades of service with Lufthansa, which he did lot of passion, devotion and learning. And I always had been looking for an audience with Subhash Verma ji, and some time back I requested him and he joined the FAST seminar, which we do it regularly, and that was the session on tourism. He accepted and he joined, and I was happy to have an audience with him. But then I saw his this podcast which he has shared. It's mind-boggling. It opens a lot of chapters of his life, which is worth learning and going deep into it. And I was thinking that I will try to make a summary, but one cannot, because every 5 minutes he is introducing a new concept which needs to be bungling. And hats off to the person who is doing the podcast with him. He has taken out the best at present he could do within the given time span. But to me, the gain is this mantra. I have seen people narrating, singing something in the beginning, because it helps in bringing a peace towards the talk. But this mantra is unique, and I am saying first time. That's why I have taken that separately and giving the link of his podcast separately. Do click on that and enjoy a full 30 minutes, and you will find a lot of learning into that. And thank you very much.
Before any auspicious thing in life, I am a Shiva Bhakt. My Ishdev is Shiva. I start with a stuti of Shiva. Karpur Gauram Karunavataram, Karpur Gauram Karunavataram, Sansar Saram Bhujgendra Haram, Sada Vasanto Hridayarvinde, Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami, Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami.
Well, thank you so much, sir.
So
Thank you.
watch the full podcast on this channel from another true Rotarian, AKS Hemant Bhasin ji. Right, sir? Thank you very much.